Okay, in this last video, I'm going to just show you an extension of the layout or another option of the layout we've just looked at. I'm also going to show you how to save your file in a couple of different formats. So this is the layout we've just done. So that was the image heavy layout based on a Vogue magazine grid. And I've just quickly done another one. So again, it's based on the Vogue grid. You can see the 3 columns. It's got the same margins, the same font size, and the same fonts for the heading. So this one I'm classing as a copy or text heavy layout. Same amount of text, but because we've put the image, we've given that a wrap, a text wrap, and we've put that within the copy. It sort of makes it looks like there's more copy on the page. So I'm taking this as a copy heavy layout. I've also included just part of that introduction, and again I've chosen the same type size and font as the Vogue magazine reference. So, but overall, looking at that looks like a copy heavy layout. All the same elements. I've still got the folio in there, I've got the credit, I've also kept the caption in there, and I've just reversed that out of the image. And I've chosen this image. Look, it doesn't matter too much what image and headline you choose, but you need to use all the headlines. There's 6 headlines. So you've got 6 layouts, 2 headline heavy, 2 copy heavy, and 2 image heavy. So you're going to use 1 headline for each of those layouts, and try and use a different picture. I've chosen this picture because of the torn jeans. Torn jeans were very big in the 90s, so that's why I've connected it back to this headline. But it's up to you, what image and headline combination that you use. Just one thing to note here. So because I have given this image a wrap, a text wrap, so you can see that is wrapping around all the text there. It makes it difficult to put in captions and to reverse out the caption over the top, because if you have just a bit of copy, I'll just give you a demonstration. Just got a bit of copy there. Now if I try and put that copy over the top of the image, it wraps, so it doesn't actually allow me to put copy over the image, because I've got a text wrap set on that image. So what we can do is, if you go to your object and your text frame options, there is a little box down the bottom here, and it says ignore text wrap. So with this, the text that you want to put over the top, with that selected, object, text frame options, and we just click that. That now allows us to put that copy over the top of that image, so we can do our caption and we can color that, do whatever type style that we need to do. So that's exactly what I've done for this caption here. So text frame options, and you can see I've ignored the text wrap. So that's allowed me to put it over the top here. So that's just another example of a Vogue magazine grid being used for one of the other layouts that you need to do. So that's a text heavy option as opposed to the image heavy option. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you is how to properly save your documents. So the first thing you need to do, and the easiest way to just send something for print, and I had shown you this in one of the other classes. So in your file menu, I don't know if you can quite see that at the top of the page. You might be able to see that now. So in your File menu, you have Adobe PDF presets. So File, Adobe PDF presets, and you just select, there's a couple of different options. I think the best one for printing is just choosing high quality print. So you select that, and then that's going to just prompt you to ask you where you want to save that. So I'm just going to go to the desktop, and I'm going to create a new folder called digital visualization, digital fashion visualization. I'm going to create that, and I'm just going to save this PDF as called new layouts.